All right, folks, right here we have a 2016 John Deere 3038E. 38 engine horsepower, has 30 PTO horsepower. This is a 540 PTO, hydrostatic tractor, runs out really nicely. This one does come with a 3-point quick hitch, as you can see here, as well as a 58-inch reinforced material bucket. We do have it shown here in this video with the Lane Shark on it. That's the LS3 model. It'll be available as well for an additional fee. We do have a third function kit on order that we will be installing on this tractor. It's going to make it really nice. You'll be able to use a grapple and things like that, as well as the Lane Shark. We're going to have it right here on our lot at Bata Farm Machinery. Or you can swing on over to our website, check out this tractor, as well as our other tractor inventory, as well as any implements. Bush hogs, finish mowers, grapples, stump buckets. We've got all that here in stock at Bata Farm Machinery. So slide on over, check it out, give us a holler, let us know.